Today I am reviewing the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro Black Gaming PC Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro Black Gaming PC Desktop is a powerhouse gaming and creator-focused desktop built for users who want uncompromising performance, modern aesthetics, and long-term reliability right out of the box. Designed by iBUYPOWER, this system blends elite-level components with a clean, RGB-forward design that looks as impressive as it performs, making it an excellent choice for gamers, streamers, content creators, and power users who demand more from their desktop PC. At the heart of this machine is the AMD Ryzen 7900X processor, a high-end CPU designed to handle extreme multitasking with ease. With a large core and thread count and high boost speeds, this processor delivers exceptional responsiveness whether you're gaming at high frame rates, live streaming, editing 4K video, rendering 3D scenes, or running multiple demanding applications at once. Everyday tasks feel instant, heavy workloads stay smooth, and productivity-focused users will appreciate just how effortlessly this system handles complex projects. Graphics performance is equally impressive thanks to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 with 16 GB of dedicated video memory. This GPU is built for modern gaming and creative workloads, offering excellent performance at 1440p and 4K resolutions with high settings enabled. Games run smoothly with rich visuals, detailed textures, and strong ray tracing performance, while technologies like DLSS help boost frame rates without sacrificing image quality. For creators, the RTX GPU also unlocks NVIDIA Studio features, accelerating video editing, 3D modeling, animation, and AI-powered workflows in popular creative applications. Whether you're gaming after work or producing professional-grade content, this graphics card delivers consistent, reliable power. Backing up the CPU and GPU is 32 GB of DDR5 RGB memory running at 5,200 MHz, providing ample headroom for modern games and professional applications. This amount of fast DDR5 RAM ensures smooth multitasking, faster load times, and improved system responsiveness, especially when juggling multiple programs or working with large files. The RGB lighting on the memory modules also adds to the visual appeal, syncing perfectly with the rest of the system's lighting for a cohesive, premium look. Storage is handled by a massive 2 TB NVMe solid-state drive, offering lightning-fast boot times, rapid application launches, and plenty of space for large game libraries, video projects, and creative assets. With this much high-speed storage, you won't need to worry about constantly managing space or adding external drives anytime soon. Everything loads quickly, from the operating system to your most demanding games and applications. Visually, the Y40 Pro stands out with its tempered glass RGB gaming case and customizable lighting. The clean black chassis combined with vibrant RGB accents gives the system a modern, high-end aesthetic that looks great in any gaming or office setup. Airflow is thoughtfully designed to keep components cool during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads, helping maintain stable performance over time. The system also comes Wi-Fi ready, making it easy to set up anywhere without needing a wired Ethernet connection right away. Connectivity is robust and practical, featuring multiple USB 3.1 ports for peripherals, external drives, and accessories, along with onboard audio and gigabit Ethernet for stable wired networking. The inclusion of a gaming keyboard and RGB gaming mouse means you can get started immediately without needing to purchase extra accessories, making this a complete plug-and-play solution for new PC gamers or anyone upgrading from an older system. Another welcome bonus is the clean software experience, with no unnecessary bloatware pre-installed, allowing the system to run efficiently right out of the box. Running Windows 11 Home, the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro takes advantage of the latest interface improvements, gaming optimizations, and productivity features. The operating system feels responsive and modern, pairing well with the powerful hardware to deliver a smooth and enjoyable user experience across gaming, work, and entertainment. Overall, the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro Black Gaming PC Desktop is a well-balanced, high-performance system that excels in gaming, streaming, and creative workloads. With its Ryzen 9 processor, RTX 5070 graphics, fast DDR5 memory, and spacious NVMe storage, it offers excellent value for users who want top-tier performance without the hassle of building a PC themselves. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA games, creating content, or simply want a powerful and visually striking desktop that's ready for anything, this system delivers speed, style, and reliability in one complete package.